Are you ready to make every ride count? Bjorn from REVER here. We're gonna walk through how to use PDF maps in REVER. This is an awesome feature because you can pull in georeferenced PDF maps and use them directly on your REVER map. This is the most up-to-date information that you can get from your local field office of the Bureau of Land Management, U.S. Forest Service, and other trusted sources. And in REVER, they can be rendered in 3D. So let's dive into the app and walk through how to do this. In the Map tab, you can select Settings in the upper left, scroll down to PDF Map Library. From there, you'll click Explore Maps. That'll open up our website. The REVER website will have a library full of maps ready for you to import into REVER. If you already have a PDF map, go find that PDF map in your files, text message, emails. You'll go click on that map. From there, hit the share arrow on the iPhone. This may differ for Android devices. Once you hit share, you're gonna have to scroll over on the app. Then you'll be able to select REVER. This will import into REVER as a map style. Click on this once it's imported, and then it will overlay onto your traditional map style in REVER. This will allow you to navigate offline and in 3D. So go out there, explore, and make every ride count. Right on.